My phone woke me up at 3:25 a.m. I had a missed call from my mum. My mum is my everything. I tried calling her back again and again, but her number was unreachable.
This app promises to replace talking head camera representation and potentially make voiceover artists lose jobs with its voiceover technology. But is Zoice AI really good enough to replace a real human? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daniels. I have spent time testing its AI avatars, voice cloning, and video generation capabilities. Is this the future of content creation or just another AI gimmick? And in this video, I am putting everything to the test.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to test is the image generation capabilities. It has a lot of functionalities: image generation, AI videos, AI avatar videos, character swap, motion controls, and all of that. But in this video, we're going to test the three important things, which is the AI images, AI video, and AI avatar. So the first thing we're going to do is just try easy peasy. We know how it works. Either you generate from text or you generate from image. So the first thing we're going to do here is select the template. The template is what you want it to look like. Do you want to generate a realistic photo? Do you want to generate a cyberpunk or any other one that you feel you want to generate? You just pick your template because we want to go for a realistic feel. So we're going to pick that, and then the next thing we're going to do is, so we're going to just type our prompt, and then boom, and then we have basically that what we ask. You can see we say generate a photo of a man standing on the rock close to the beach with a seashore fully visible, and then it gives us what we asked for. So it has passed on this, but I anticipated a much bigger rock, Sadly enough, I solved everywhere, but I couldn't find a way to edit my prompt of the same image to see if I could make the image better. And that is the downside of this platform. They should find a way and put a regenerate button or edit button, so if the image doesn't come out the way you wanted it to be, you can simply edit your prompt rather than go ahead to create varieties of images that might equally look the same. So rather than spend the same credit, you can regenerate with lesser credit. So I think that's might be the addition that we want to add to the image generation part of this platform. So we're going to move to the next one, which is image to image generation. If we click this little drop down icon here, we're going to see that there are a lot of AI models that you can use to do this. So we're going to switch between them and find which one can generate image to image, because not all of them do the same thing. Most of them generate image to image, and most of them is just text to image. So we're going to use Nano Banana for this, and then switch it here from text to image to image to image. So and then we're going to upload our reference image. For some reason the reference image was not showing here, but this is the image I uploaded. I want to test if you can use this as a all-in-one platform where everything can be done. So the next thing we want to do is write our prompt, and then we have our final photo. So after that, we're going to move to the next thing. The next thing is generating avatar. We're going to do generating video last, since I'm generating the picture so I could use it for the avatar. We're just going to move straight to the avatar. So the next thing we want to do for the avatar video is we're going to select avatar video, and then choose if you want to generate video from script or you want to generate the video from audio. Here we want to generate the video from script, so we have our script. We're going to just paste our script right here. If you look beside here, there are a lot of voice model, there are a lot of audio tags you can add. You can add pauses, you can add whisper, you can add shouting, a whole lot of them. You can take your time to explore that. I didn't really have the time to do that because I had limited credits, so I could only add one, which is the pause. And then the next thing you want to do is to create your avatar. So what we're going to do is select the avatar. Remember, we will have to create a new avatar with the picture we generated before now. So we're going to click on create new avatar. Alright, remember what we call the avatar is the picture we generated. So once you select avatar, it means you select the picture you want to use to generate the avatar. Once you do that, it's going to bring us to this place where we'll have to upload the image. So once you're done uploading the image, you're just gonna give your avatar a name and click the generate avatar button. Once you do that, AI is gonna do its thing and then create an avatar for you. So if you go back, you're gonna see varieties of avatar that I've created. So I'm gonna pick the one of my interest and then click on select base image. The next thing you want to do is select the voice. Here you have to create a voice model. How do you do that? The first step to creating a voice model, click on new. Once you click on new, you're gonna see where you can upload a reference audio. So I just did a little recording of my voice, and then I upload the file, give it a name, choose the language, and you're just gonna answer a few questions. As since I'm a Nigerian, so I'm just gonna leave Nigerian there, gender male, age, description if you have any, and then you create the voice. Definitely this is gonna generate a sample voice for you, so it's definitely gonna clone your voice here. So the next thing we want to do is go back to our avatar. I would definitely give you the kudos for being able to replicate the voice. The voice sounds closer to mine, and this is very, very surprising. I'm gonna play the cloned audio so you guys can hear how polished it is.
Hello, this is a custom AI voice generated using Zoice. You can use it across multiple AI tools on the platform, including custom avatar video generation and text-to-speech generation.
Truth be told, it's not about generating a single line or a single sentence. It's about will it be able to replicate this accuracy with a full script. We'll know about that. Let's proceed. So the next two things we're gonna do is the output and then the action prompt. So if we click the output, you'll see that it has varieties of resolution. We have the 480p, we have 720, we have 1080p, 2K and 4K respectively. But it's gonna cost you more coins, a couple of coins more, to generate something reasonable. So for now, I'm just gonna pick 1080p. After that, run straight to aspect ratio and pick 16:9. So after that, the next thing is gonna be action prompt. So if you click on the action prompt, the right panel, you're gonna see lots of suggestions here that you can use, but I like to be more practical, so I had to construct mine, and then I just dump it there. Once you click on, when you're done putting the action prompt, you come back and click on generate. You leave it to do its AI thing, and then after a while, it's gonna give you a preview audio according to the script that you had put up there. So if you love what you're hearing, next thing is just to give it the approval by just clicking on generate video, avatar video. Once you're done that, it's gonna do its AI thing and then drop the video for you. This is a sample of the video this guy generated for me.
If you're shy about sitting in front of a camera, this might interest you. Today, I'm testing Zoice AI to see if an AI avatar can actually deliver a video like a real person. I'll be testing the avatar, facial expressions, lip sync, voice cloning, and overall realism. But the real question is, can you tell this isn't me? Let's find out.
So I added a little color grade, and then I had to cut out some long pauses that were there. So I think they have some little improvements to make, because somehow it's talking like I'm talking in slow motion. So probably if they fix that and fix their voice generation model to make it a little bit more natural, this will be perfect. I'm telling you the truth. So if you can see, what we have here is a little bit flat. So in the video I just previewed, I had to throw in a little bit of color grade there. It looks really amazing. I had to change my background. I wanted to see how good this can get, so I had to change my background from my studio background to this background. So this looks amazing though, but a couple of things they might want to fix, which I just mentioned earlier. After we're done with this, I wanted to really explore the AI video model. So we went inside to try the AI video model. Just like the image generation, the video generation is quite similar. There are varieties of video models, and they all do different things. There are ones that just basically handle just text to video, and there is image to video, and then there is frame to video. The difference between these is that the first one, you just basically just write a prompt, and then it brings a video to you. And the second model, which is the image to video, you drop a reference image, write the prompt, and then from the reference image is gonna give you a video. And the third one, which is frame to video, is that it's gonna give you two upload options, one the first frame and one the last frame. You write the prompt that's gonna match the two frames together, and then it's gonna work with the two frames. One is gonna be the beginning of your video, and the other one is gonna be the end of your video. So we're gonna just put that into the test. The first one, we upload our reference photo. For some reason, once again, the preview video did not show, but this is what we uploaded, and then we write our prompt and then hit generate. So we're gonna try the frame to video model. So here we're gonna use two images, the first frame and the last frame. So I'm gonna upload two videos, one for the first frame and one for the last frame. After that, you type in your prompt, wait for it to upload. Once it's done uploading, after that, you're gonna choose your output. Remember, we're running things with 16:9 and 1080p. After that, your prompt comes in, tell Lord to blend the first frame to the last frame. Remember, the generate button is gonna glow up, and then you click on generate, and that's basically all. So feel free to do this over and over again until you exhaust the pictures you have in your storyboard. For me, I had prepared a storyboard, and I made sure I used every picture I had in my storyboard, one as the first frame, one as the last frame, according to what I want to get at the end of the video, and this is what I could get at the end.
My phone woke me up at 3:25 a.m. I had a missed call from my mom. My mom is my everything. I tried calling her back, again and again, but her number was unreachable.
The subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again later.
After minutes of trying, a text finally popped up. It was from Mum. Call me when you get this text, it's important. I tried, and tried again, but to no avail. Now I was worried.
The subscriber cannot be reached. Please try again later.
I couldn't process what was going on. I grabbed my keys and rushed out.